Hey, how's it going? We're down here off County Road 208 in St. Augustine, Florida. Gonna go do some quick woodland photography. It's a little overcast and everything's soft, so hopefully we'll be able to find something cool. We're just going out and seeing what we can find. I don't think we'll get too much sunset tonight, but we should be able to find some cool soft images, so let's go see what we can do. I just wanted to show you this moss covered stump I'm shooting. I know I'll find a composition here, but I'm gonna take a few different ones. It's not bad, not bad. Got some good separation from the back. Some unique shapes in here. Some great shadows, and the light's real soft, so I'll be able to play with it a bit when I get it in Photoshop. But yeah, it's beautiful. What a gorgeous afternoon. Shoot some of these details in here. This is nuts. Let's get a close-up. It's just so easy to go out close to home and practice. Like I said, I'm still new to landscape photography, even though I've been a photographer for 10 years. It's a lot more difficult than you think, composition-wise, and just all the small things that you have to know. Bracketing and focus stacking and everything, there's a lot to it. But it's exciting, so it's fun, it's relit. It's ignited my passion for getting out in the wild, because I already love to get out in the outdoors. But anyway, I'm rambling. I think we're about to wrap it up here and get on out of here. It's been great. The light's been soft, so it's easy to work with out here. It's not the best, but it'll give me a lot of flexibility when I get back to Photoshop. So I just want to say thanks for coming along. If you haven't yet, please subscribe.